Hello, all you beautiful and lovely people. Welcome back to Rainbow Brush. Thank you so much for being here once again, and today we are going to draw the ferocious, the amazing Tyrannosaurus Rex, or as he likes to be called, T-Rex. Also Bert, he likes to be called Bert as well. So it's good that we don't have to name this dinosaur like we always name the dinosaurs that we draw, because he already has a name. It's Bert. Alright, so as we start our drawing, do not worry about messing up. Don't worry about it looking bad, because today we're learning, we're going to be drawing, and we're going to come out on the other side with this beautiful animal, this reptile of nature, the Tyrannosaurus Rex. I would do a roar, but I can't do a roar. I can sound like Chewbacca, but I cannot sound like a T-Rex. All right, so it's starting to take some shape now. It didn't look like much at first because, like all drawings, it takes time to form, it takes time to come together. As I'm drawing the nose and the mouth, you ever wonder what dinosaur boogers look like? I don't know, maybe that's just me. I would like to know. It's one of those things. Let's give him a little bit of a smiley face and then put up some teeth. All right, look at those teeth, those sharp teeth. He doesn't need them though because he is a vegetarian. Bert is a vegetarian, and he uses those teeth to chew carrots, I guess. All right. Make up the story as you go, as you draw this T-Rex. To me, he looks very intelligent. So he doesn't follow the stereotype of the Tyrannosaurus Rex, which is dumb, and he's got those little tiny arms because he's smart and he uses those arms to gather food, to gather berries, we'll say. I don't know. I'm not a dinosaurologist, so I don't know, but I'm making this up as I go. I hope you guys don't mind. So what did everybody do today? For me, I had a day off, and I just relaxed. I slept in this morning, I watched some TV, played some more Fortnite, of course, and did a whole lot of nothing. Tell me what you guys did today. I would love to know. So now we have to draw the legs. He has to have really good fast running legs because all T-Rexes must run. They have to chase. So, what is your favorite dinosaur? There's so many out there. There's the Tyrannosaurus Rex. There's the Triceratops. There's the Spinosaurus we drew last time, as well as hundreds of others. Leave it in the comments. I would love to know. I want to know what your favorite dinosaur is. Don't tell the other dinosaurs, but right now, my favorite is Bert. I suppose he has to be my favorite as I draw him. Doesn't he look like he just has so much personality though? When I was a kid, I'd go into the backyard and I would dig, and I would hope to find dinosaur bones. How cool would that be to find dinosaur bones, or even maybe some treasure in your backyard? That's what I used to do. I had an imagination. I never did find anything of value, but hey, maybe you will. You should go in your backyard and dig a little bit. On the news, I've seen people that have found treasures, treasure chests, dinosaur bones, oil, all in their backyard. It's gotta happen to someone. Might as well be you. All right, so we are finishing up on this Tyrannosaurus Rex, this fearsome beast. In the background, go ahead and put some volcanoes, maybe a meteor soaring from the heavens, crashing down onto the earth. Anything you want, there's no wrong answer here. So draw in that background, maybe put some bushes, some lava, and color that dinosaur in. We're gonna go ahead and color this dinosaur in green, because I feel like it should be green. You can use red or any other color that you want. Make sure you like, subscribe for more videos so you can see what I put out, As always, you guys are amazing. I will see you guys on the next video. I hope you have a beautiful day.